Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with ChatGPT. So make sure to watch the full video. AI models to enhance various online services or create unique applications that could potentially generate revenue. Here are a few ways you might consider using chatbot AI for potential monetization. 1. Content creation and marketing. You can use GPT-3 to generate high-quality written content for blogs, social media posts, emails, and more. Offering content creation services to businesses or individuals could be a potential source of income. 2. Customer support. Implement GPT-3 into customer support systems to provide instant responses and help users troubleshoot problems. Companies may pay for this kind of AI-driven support. 3. App development. Develop chatbot-powered apps for specific industries like healthcare, finance, or education, where users can get instant answers or guidance. You could monetize these apps through in-app purchases or subscriptions. 4. E-commerce. Create AI-powered chatbots for e-commerce websites to assist users with product recommendations, customer inquiries, and order tracking. Businesses might pay for this service to enhance their user experience. 5. Language translation. Develop an AI-driven language translation service using GPT-3. You could offer translation services to businesses or individuals looking to communicate effectively with a global audience. 6. Personalized learning. Build an educational platform that uses AI to provide personalized learning experiences. Students or learners could pay for access to tailored lessons and explanations. 7. Creative writing. Offer creative writing services like generating short stories, poetry, or even custom greetings using GPT-3. Many people may be interested in unique AI-generated content. 8. Digital assistants. Create AI-driven digital assistants that help users manage their tasks, appointments, and reminders. You could offer premium features for a subscription fee. It's important to note that the AI landscape is continually evolving, and regulations surrounding its use can vary. Also, GPT-3 and similar AI models are tools that require ethical considerations. Always ensure that you're using these technologies responsibly and ethically, respecting user privacy, and providing value to your users or clients. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.